Hi and welcome. My name is Bradleymayerharman, and today we're talking about the Caledon real estate market over the first 6 months of 2018 and how it performed in comparison to 2017, a year where we saw a dramatic change in market values and activity. So let's start off. We're going to look at 2017 to give you a baseline as to where we came from. So in 2017, the first 2 quarters, we still saw a significant growth in market value. That's when you saw the multiple offers going crazy. Caledon saw a massive amount of growth in market value. So let's take a look at the numbers. So the average sales price by June 2017 last year, it went up to $988,000. Now keep in mind, this is the hottest time just before the market started to adjust in June, late May. And so the average days on market was only 15 days for all property types. The average sale to list ratio was 103%. So that means if you listed your house for $1 million, you'd sell it for $1,030,000. So the idea here is that the market was doing very, very well. Detached homes, average sales price was near the 1.1 million, as you can see here. And then obviously as you got down to the link and townhomes or semi-detached, which are the more affordable options for the average person, they actually had the largest increase in market value, and you'll see they still do in today's market. So semi-detached saw 106% list-to-sale ratio, and the average being 685. Links saw the highest list-to-sale ratio of 107% of asking, and the average sales price of $681, and then towns were in the ballpark of $640,000 on average. So if we look at today's, the last 6 months performance for Caledon, it's a different picture. So for instance, the average sales price has actually dropped by 6% overall on all home types. So from almost $1 million to $928,000. Is the average sales price for a house in Caledon today. The average days on market is just over 28 days, so significantly higher. It's about almost double the length of which a listing was on the market in the previous year at the same time frame. And then the number of sales has also dropped by just under 16%. So for all home types, it was 15. Now, obviously, as I was mentioning for 2017, we also saw a difference between the detached, more expensive real estate type to the town, semi, and link homes because they're more affordable. So you have more people going for those style of homes. For instance, you have downsizers who are maybe baby boomers who are moving into smaller home types and then maybe doing the snowbird or retirement. And then alternatively, you have the new home buyers, which is the largest segment of baby boomers who are coming into the market and need to find something that would be affordable. And, you know, in some cases, they want to avoid the town condo apartments. Now, in Caledon, obviously, there's not many condo apartments. There was only 2 sales within the first 6 months, and that's just as a sign of the fact that there's not that many available. But certainly on the detached, we had the most amount of sales at 339, and then the towns were the next highest at 65 sales, and that actually had the least amount of price reduction. It was only down by 1.48%, whereas you looked at the detached, which were at a 6.5% drop in market value. And so that's pretty much it for the Caledon market. If you have any questions whatsoever, don't hesitate to reach out to the Mayer-Harman team. We're always here to help you. And please do reach out. All of our contact details will be included in the video. And you can also send a comment to me if you want me to do a video on another topic. Don't hesitate. I hope you have a fantastic day and stay tuned for our next video.